Frameshift mutations. What is a frameshift mutation? A mutation in which there is a shift in the reading frame. This is caused by a deletion or insertion of a number of nucleotides that is not divisible by 3. A reading frame describes how the nucleotides are broken up into codons that are 3 nucleotides long. A nucleotide consists of a nitrogenous base, represented by the blue rectangle, a phosphate group, which I have shown in pink, and a 5-carbon sugar in purple. Nitrogenous bases in DNA consist of adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Nitrogenous bases in RNA consist of adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. The only difference between these two is that thymine can be found in DNA, while uracil can be found in RNA. A codon consists of 3 nucleotides. Each codon codes for 1 amino acid. Here we have a strand of DNA with 5 codons. In codon 1, CAT codes for histidine, and codon 2 codes for threonine, and so on. What causes a shift in reading frame? An addition or deletion of a base pair that is not a multiple of 3 will cause a shift. Are frameshift mutations bad? Yes, because it affects translation of other codons, it affects the production of amino acids and proteins, and one of the most famous mutations associated with frameshift is Tay-Sachs disease. Tay-Sachs disease is a rare inherited disorder that destroys nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord. This disease is typically found in people of Eastern European Jewish descent. Symptoms of slow development usually appear around 6 months of age, and these symptoms progress until they lead to death, often around the age of 4. There is no known cure for Tay-Sachs disease. At least 8 frameshift mutations are associated with this disease. Pathogenic deletions in short tandem repeats. In box 1, we see a frameshift because one of the T base pairs was deleted. Similarly, in box 2, we see a frameshift due to the A and T base pairs being deleted. However, in box 6, we don't see a frameshift because of the deletion of 6 base pairs, which is a multiple of 3. A way to think about frameshift insertion is to look at the sentence below. The cat ate the rat. If you insert a U between the green C and A, the sentence now reads, the qua tat eth erat, and it no longer makes sense. Or we can do a frameshift deletion, which will use the same sentence. The cat ate the rat. If you delete the red C, the sentence now reads, the atta tet her at, which still doesn't make sense. This is because everything had to shift in order to accommodate the 3-letter reading frame. A point mutation is a mistake in a single nucleotide that only affects a specific codon. Here's an example of a point mutation. Using the same sentence, the cat ate the rat, if we replace the C to an R, the new sentence reads, the rat ate the rat, which is a silly sentence, but it still makes sense. In conclusion, frameshift mutations are caused by a deletion or insertion of a number of nucleotides that is not divisible by 3. It affects the reading frame, which affects which amino acids are produced. They are apparent in many severe genetic diseases like Tay-Sachs disease, which we mentioned previously.